Discover how the right lighting can completely transform the mood of any room in your home, from lively to serene. Lighting isn't just about seeing your way around the house. It's a powerful tool to create emotions and set the atmosphere. Let's explore how to use lighting to craft the perfect mood in each room. In the living room, start with ambient lighting for a relaxed space, then layer with accent lights to highlight art and architecture. Consider dynamic, dimmable options to match the energy of any gathering. For kitchens, mix bright task lighting over counters with softer ambient lights to create a warm, inviting environment that's also functional and safe for cooking. In your bedroom, use soft lamps with warm bulbs for relaxation, and add dimmable solutions to adapt to different activities, like reading or resting. Ensure your bathroom has clear task lighting for grooming without shadows, complemented by ambient lighting to maintain a tranquil sanctuary for relaxation. Lighting sets the tone for your entire home. Visit our website for more insights and tips on creating the perfect mood with lighting solutions tailored for every room.